Fundamentally, Atlas Machines solves equipment problems for industry. I like to tell people that we fix the stuff that makes stuff.
One day you might be working on something the size of a pencil, the next day you're working on something 30 feet long, 50,000 pounds. And in 33 years, I learned something every day.
Basically, I love my job because of the men that I work with and the exciting things we get to see and do. Atlas has put a lot of trust in me. I'm 30 years old and they'll basically trust me with anything that they have.
The skills of our people are really all that we have to offer the world. So without them, we don't have anything.
It's a good atmosphere. Everybody I work with, get along with. Never had a bad boss. The Gimbels treat you good. They pay you good.
Everybody jokes around, gets along. It's like a family here.
Being a welder or a machinist in this kind of a trade, any kind of a trade, it's a great living. You know, Atlas has been fantastic to me. There's a lot of different ways kids can go these days, but I just think we should have never got away from the trade.
The establishment seems to feel that success is merely going on to college after high school. They don't seem to give too much consideration to what happens after that, because you can go across the street here and probably buy gas from a college graduate, or you can go into any Starbucks and you can buy coffee from a college graduate. Skilled trades are in short supply right now. The average machinist here at Atlas makes almost double what the average college graduate makes once they reach journeyman level here. And we have an excellent career opportunity for young people with mechanical aptitude who want to pursue this coming out of high school, because you can go right into our apprenticeship program, which is a 4-year program, come out already making more money than the average college graduate makes, and you can have no debt.
Atlas cannot give you the work ethic, but they can give you everything else.
It's a good place to work. They give you a good future. But if you give them 110% of your effort, they will back you every day.
There's no end in sight. It's not like Atlas has hit a cap. It's almost like Atlas is, you know, they're 110 years old, but they're just getting started.